For every product that I want to use on my patient, I will first experience it on myself. You can call me a lab rat, but I am a living proof to all my patients. I founded Queen's Avenue Clinic alone in 2014, and it was a dream come true for me. Queen's Avenue Clinic reflects my values and my visions. It was a deliberate step, a foundation that I am proud to build and grow. A place where quality, confidence, and value truly meets. I have both male and female patients coming to me because of relationship problem. The real reason is because they are not confident and having low self-esteem. Personally, to me, aesthetic work is just not about restoring the appearance, but more of restoring self-confidence. I like the sparks on their face after the treatment and how they walk away with a big smile, ready to take on challenges in life. I'm playing two roles, both as a counselor and an aesthetic doctor. We created such kind of good relationship to the point that my patients will come to clinic to celebrate their birthdays. For every product that I want to use on my patient, I will first experience it on myself. Partly because I want to look good myself, and at the same time, I want to make sure the product is safe and effective for all my patients. You can call me a lab rat, but I am a living proof to all my patients. Because knowledge must be shared, I love teaching the young doctors about safety, and also I would like them to grow with ethics. Teaching allows me to elevate the industry in a positive and meaningful way. If I could say something to my younger self, that will be, keep shining. Your voice, your energy, your confidence, they will lead you towards everything that are meant to be achieved, and you will inspire many along the way. If there is any advice I could give to the future doctor, is to stay focused, stay committed, and stay curious. And always remember, you are helping someone to regain their self-confidence. I met the founder of Elogio Asia years ago in a Silphum X Gala night. So her warm personality is what attracts me the most. Elogio Asia expanded my world. They do not only help me to expand as a practitioner, but also as an educator and a leader in the industry. The founder's dedication to inspire young doctors resonates with my own passion to uplift others. We both believe in skin health and that safety must always come first. This makes every collaboration meaningful. I once told the founder that one day I wanted to be on TED Talk to motivate people about self-confidence. And here I am today, kick starting towards my goal.